manger ou quitter manger l'ambiance. Allez, score ou mettre n'importe brillant. Chérie, manger banane, manger banane.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Slayyyy, and I am back with another video. So as you guys can already tell from the title of this video, today I'm not going to be doing a wig review. You heard that right. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys what my real hair looks like under all the wigs. Okay, so for me personally, you know, a lot of people are like, you know, do you ever wear your real hair out? Da, 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 da. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I just put it up in a ponytail and just go about my business, or majority of the time I want to go ahead and just slap a wig on that thing. Okay, so don't judge me. All right, so I have been growing my hair out for about 2 years now. So I cut it about, the last time I cut it was 2 years ago, but I was always so accustomed and just used to just cutting my hair all the time, and I grew it out for about 2 years. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a separate video on how I grew my hair out and all that jazz. Okay, but anyways, so this video is all about how what my real hair looks like underneath all the wigs. So I wanted to go ahead and come and show you guys the real. Okay, so I washed it yesterday, and then after I washed it, I kind of like straightened it. I applied, you know, leave-in conditioner and all of that good stuff in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it out now and maybe try to style it or something. I don't know. Let me turn on my little flat iron just in case, because I feel like I didn't do like the best job straightening my hair. But anyways, y'all, honestly, I just love wigs. Okay, like I just feel like wigs are just so easy, so convenient. Like you don't have to do anything, especially synthetic units. Like they already come pre-styled for you, so a lot of times they're just so easy, so cute, and yeah, that's why, you know, I love my wigs or whatever. But let's go ahead and take out this wrap. See, I feel like, I didn't do a good job straightening it. I mean, it smells good though, so I don't know. I don't really do my hair, so don't judge me, y'all. I don't really straighten it, I should say. So this is what she is looking like. And for my next video, I will be inserting a clip on like what my hair looks like as far as the cut. Like it was like bald, guys. Like I had a heart shaped in the back of my head basically. So let's go ahead and take this baby out so y'all can see what she is looking like. And I mean, like after I blow dry it, it gets really thick. I wish y'all could see it when I blow dry it. What I'll actually do is like for my next video on Roxley, the channel with me and Bay, I'll show you guys a video on how he washes my hair and blow dries it and all of that jazz. I figured that would be fun, you know. So all right, y'all, this is what she's looking like. My natural hair. So maybe we should do like a little style or something. And I don't know if you guys noticed this, but I decided to go ahead and give you guys some natural lighting today. All right, I opened my blinds up in the room. I was like, you know what, forget this ring light. I'm just gonna go ahead and give them some natural lighting. So I hope y'all enjoy and, you know, can appreciate the natural lighting or what have you and such. Okay, so it's not as bright. And also I feel like it's a good thing that I did this, because the lighting, I just could not get the lighting correctly on my phone, like the settings. I don't know what I did, but I just couldn't get it right. All right, so I was just like, you know what, we're just gonna use some natural light. It looks like the sun is out a little bit for now. You know, I live in Florida, so it's like bipolar weather. Honestly, the weather is seriously bipolar. So maybe we're just gonna part it off to the side like so. I can't do hair, y'all, for real. Like, don't judge me. I really can't. I don't know how to do my own hair. I don't know how to do it. Like, I don't know how to do my own hair. I don't know how to part. I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to do any of that. And that's another reason why, honestly, I just prefer to wear wigs. It's so easy. Like, no one has to deal with it. You know what I'm saying? Like, my hair feels a little sensitive up here. And that's because of when I clip my wigs or whatever, like, you know what I'm saying? I think that's why. Like, because sometimes I clip it right here, or just when I place the wigs right here. So up here is pretty sensitive for me right now. But let's go ahead and leave this little thing out right here on the side. Let's go ahead and add a little bit of mousse. I told y'all I really don't know how to do my hair in real life, so I'm just doing a little something something today. Kind of slick that down a little bit. There we go. And I'm gonna take my brush. Brush a little bit, a little piece, little something, something. I don't know if y'all can hear my fiance snoring up a storm right now, but if y'all hear him, I do apologize. He do be snoring. Got my straightener here. My sexy love. Say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me. Ooh. All we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up? I feel like I'm not doing a good job right now. There we go. I mean, it's not as flat as I want it, but you know what? That'll do. And then I think I'm going to take my, I have like got to be glue. Not got to be glue. What the heck am I talking about? See what happens when you're just so used to putting wigs on? You start saying stuff that don't make any sense. I'm gonna take my Eco Styler, y'all. Take my Eco Styler. And I'm gonna brush the side of my hair a little bit. Or gel it down a little bit. Ella, you got on some skates. Ella, you got on some skates. My edge brush. I got my edge brush right here. I need to wash this.
Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slow, go fast, like controller, controller, yeah, like controller, controller. My sexy love. Say you love me, say you love me, but you never left for me. Yeah. Ooh, all we do is make up and break up. Why don't we wake up and see? It's that remix to ignition. I'm fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that body, got every minute you wishing. We sipping, I go and run. I'm like, so what, I'm drunk. It's the freaking weekend, baby, I'm thinking you should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. But you don't have to call. No, it's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. I'm lost without you, I can't help myself. How does it feel to know that I love you, babe? And I only met this girl on Monday, took her for a drink on Tuesday. We were making love by Wednesday, and on Thursday and Friday and Saturday, and chilled on Sunday. But if you're on that, let's do it, ride it, my pony, yo. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I wanna take you down, I really wanna take you down, 'cause you remind me of a girl that I once knew. Okay, you like it.
Alright, you guys, so this is how I went ahead and decided to style my hair. Like I said, you know, in the beginning of the video, I really don't know how to do my hair for real, so this was my best attempt at doing my own natural hair right here. But yeah, so I just slicked the side a little bit. I kind of straightened it just a little bit, not a whole lot. And then I curled the front just a smidget, just a little bit, little something, something. As you guys can see, I have a whole lot of split ends, and I need like a trim for sure. One of these days I need to either go to my hairstylist, who I haven't seen in like 2-3 years, literally since the last time she cut my hair. I have not seen her. So, you know, maybe I need to go ahead and see her, and you know, so she can go ahead and give me a trim and get me all lined up. But yeah, y'all, so this is my natural hair right here. It doesn't have much body to it, you know. I feel like it's because I don't do like a great job, you know, at like straightening my hair or whatever. But your girl got hair, your girl got some hair, you know. Like, I know it's not like the longest hair ever, but you know, your girl ain't bald headed. All right, so if that's what y'all was thinking about me, y'all thought I was bald headed, I'm really not, you know. I'm really not. I really do have a whole lot of hair, and like I said, when I wash it and blow dry it and stuff, like, it's a whole lot. It's really thick. It gets like up to here, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, this is my natural hair, y'all. This shit right here, what y'all think? Y'all think I did a good job trying to style it? If not, I mean, y'all can be honest with me, you know. If you got something mean to say, don't be leaving no mean comments, you know, whatever. Like, just tell me, you know, what I could have done better, or, you know, whatever, as far as styling a little bit better than, you know, how I did. Like I said, I don't know how to curl. Like, I don't know how to do nothing. Seriously, I need a trim. I don't know how to braid. I don't know how to, none of that. I don't know how to do anything. So that's why, like I said in the beginning of the video, like, wearing wigs is just super easy for me, and it's fast, it's convenient, and yeah, y'all. So that is all that I have for you guys today. One of the reasons being why I decided to go ahead and make this video for you guys, once again, because a lot of you guys have been asking me questions on what my natural hair looks like, and you know, what their hair look like underneath it all, and all of that jazz. And I decided to go ahead and show you guys what my hair looks like. Also, the wig review that I was supposed to be doing this weekend, I was gonna go ahead and attempt to make a wig, because I have some bundles that this company sent to me like a few months back, but they accidentally sent it to me. So I was gonna try to see if I could make a wig out of it, and needless to say, I got lazy and I didn't complete that this weekend. So yeah, that's what happened. But yeah, definitely stay tuned, because I will be back with more videos pretty soon. And Sam's Beauty, I know they're shipping me some wigs as we speak, so I have some wigs from Sam's Beauty for you guys next weekend. All right, so thank you guys so much for tuning in and for watching, and see you guys next time.